Hello and welcome to UC Today. My name is Christopher Carey and today's conversation will look at collaboration burnout, the hidden cost of UC complexity. I'm joined by Vivek Kar, the head of Employee Interaction Suite at Tata Communications. Vivek, great to have you with us again. So we hear a lot about meeting fatigue. Will you frame this as collaboration burnout? How do you define that difference, and why is it a bigger problem than just having too many calls on the calendar?
Right. So meeting fatigue is really just the symptom, right? It's the exhaustion we feel after endless virtual meetings. Collaboration burnout, on the other hand, run deeper. Is the result of constantly switching between communication tools, platforms, and devices just to get the basic work done. Employees are juggling between multiple logins, formats, and interfaces, creating mental friction that slows productivity and drains energy. So it's not just about too many calls, it's about fragmented collaboration experiences that makes every task feel harder than it actually should.
Mm. And like from an IT perspective, what makes today's UC landscape so complex? How does that complexity trickle down to everyday employee experiences?
See, it's there are hidden costs, right? The hidden costs are both tangible and human, right? On one hand, IT teams are stretched thin, managing overlapping licenses, multiple service provider across different countries, inconsistent security policies, and siloed data across multiple platforms. On the other hand, employee who lose valuable time navigating this complexity, switching between apps, troubleshooting their connectivity, or waiting for the right platform to join a meeting. This friction directly affects productivity, decision speeds, and even employee morale. The more complex the UC environment, the less invisible but very real time and focus people have for actual collaboration.
Mm. And many organizations, they use a patchwork of Teams, WebEx, Zoom, other platforms like that. How does this fragmentation directly contribute to burnout?
So while enterprise may have access to multiple UC platforms, right, operate calling enablement is typically restricted to just one, creating a very fragmented experience. This forces employees to navigate between disparate tools, from chat to video, video to file sharing, and file sharing to email, often becoming their own IT manager in the process. Each switch disrupts workflow continuity and adds cognitive load. Though individual performance may perform well in isolation, their lack of integration leads to confusion, duplicate efforts, and disjointed communication. This fragmentation erodes employee efficiency and contributes to the collaboration burnout.
Hmm. And you position Tata Communications as a single point of contact in this UC chaos. Can you break down what that means for both IT leaders and employees?
For IT leaders, Tata Communication acts as an end-to-end managed service provider, simplifying management across multiple UC platforms, providing unified analytics, consistent SLAs, and end-to-end support. Instead of dealing with multiple vendor licenses and troubleshooting points, they have one accountable partner. As a domestic number provider in over 58 countries, we enable enterprise to maintain local identities and adhere to the in-country regulation requirements, all while leveraging a truly global communication framework. This extensive reach allows the organization to consolidate their telecom needs with a single provider, eliminating concerns around number portability, routing, and compliance, and unlocking greater platform and solution flexibility. For employees, it means a consistent, reliable, and secure collaboration experiences. Whether they are on Teams, Zoom, WebEx, or Google, they don't need to think about what platform to use. Just everything just works seamlessly and securely with data communications.
And how does your UCAS approach unify these different platforms without forcing companies into a one size fits all solution?
So our UCAS strategy is centered on flexibility over uniformity. We recognize that enterprise rarely begin with a clean slate. They operate within their complex ecosystem of legacy infrastructure, preferred platforms, and regional requirements. Rather than enforcing a disrupted rip and replace approach, we deliver intelligent interoperability that seamlessly integrates voice, video, messaging, and presence across existing environment. Our platform empowers organizations with freedom of choice, whether selecting UC platform, devices, or hardware ecosystem. The underlying architecture ensures a unified backend for policy and enforcement, centralized management, and actionable analytics, even when users operate across diverse tools and geographies. Mm. Designed and with modularity at its core, our solution allows enterprise to select specific SKUs tailored to their need, from foundational voice and application layer to fully managed services, including provisioning, monitoring, lifecycle management, and hardware support. The modular approach ensures scalability, cost efficiency, and customer control. Ultimately, a UCaaS model delivers choices with consistency, enabling enterprises to define their own path to unification while we manage the complexity behind the scenes.
So, if we look beyond the technology, what changes when collaboration feels seamless instead of stressful? Like, what's the human impact?
So, when collaboration becomes seamless, people feel more connected, confident, and creative, right? They stop worrying about how to communicate and focus on what to communicate. Meeting becomes more purposeful, team engages more freely, and there's a tangible lift in morale. Essentially, it transforms work from a series of tasks to a flow of ideas. And that's where innovation and culture thrives, right? So,
Hmm. And so, how can simplifying UC improve, not only improve the employee experience and morale, but also boost measurable business outcomes like productivity and retention?
simplifying UC directly impacts both productivity and retention. When employees spend less time managing tools, right, and they spend more time doing meaningful work, that efficiency compounds, projects move faster, decisions are made quicker, and teams collaborate more fluidly across geographies, right? From a retention standpoint, employees who feel more equipped and empowered by technology are significantly more engaged. The link between seamless collaboration and lower attrition is now well established through various research searches. It's not just convenience, it forms a part of the very culture. Right.
Hmm. And we touched on the issue of meeting rooms, intelligent meeting rooms. How do these just work environments help reduce collaboration burnout?
Intelligent meeting rooms eliminates the anxiety that often comes with hybrid meetings, right? Connecting devices, setting up calls, troubleshooting various audio, video, setting up the screens, etc. These just work environments use automations, AI, and smart integration to ensure that meetings start instantly and run flawlessly. Uh, the less time people spend fixing technologies, the more they focus on discussions itself. It restores the trust in the collaboration process. People walk into a room expecting the experience to be effortless. And, this, and that predictability is a powerful antidote to the burnout, which I was referring to, right?
Hmm. And if we fast forward a few years, what does the ideal collaboration experience look like, and what role will Tata Communications play in making that vision real?
See, the future of collaboration will be defined by the invisibility of the technology that fades into the background so seamlessly that the user barely notices it, right? AI will anticipate the intent, optimize the connectivity, and the surface context in real time. The result will be frictionless collaboration across devices, locations, and even languages. Data communication role will be to power this invisible layer. ensuring that the underlying infrastructure, interoperability, and the security remains robust and unified. Our goal, our goal is simple: to make the collaboration feel natural, human, and boundaryless. And
So I think that's all we have time for today, but it's been a really great session, and I'd like to thank Vivek for joining us. Vivek, if people want to get in touch and find out more about this topic, what's the best way to get in touch?
So there is a lot of good contents and detail of the services, not just what Tata Communication offers, but what the overall industry has to offer. To get more details, please go to tatacommunications.com/Kalera/UCAS, and you would get more details on our solution offering, how we can help you improve your UCAS journey. And from there, if you need more details, there are options to schedule a conversation with us. One of my team members would reach out to you and give you more details and customize a solution for you if that is what you need.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and share on social media. We'll see you next time. I've been Christopher Carey for UC Today. Thanks for watching.